Right, mate. You're looking at ADA here, and you're trying to have a balls of steel target and at 5. Um, I, I really don't know about that target. It's tough to call something like that. I mean, I do like the strength here. Like I do think it's going higher. The thing is, you know, when you get a rounding pattern like this the whole way up, right back up after this base, and it's consolidating up here, it's a good sign of strength, right? It really is. And it may need to do a bit more of that, before actually getting that next leg. So the fact that the longer it consolidates here, potentially the bigger the move we can get out of this. So I'm not sure if we can get up there at your $5 target, but at this point, it does look like it's gearing up for a bigger for another leg higher. Okay, so you know, uh, I don't know if you said where you bought it, so no idea where you bought it, unless you said lower or somewhere. But if you bought down here, I would be taking some profits here at least. I have no idea where you bought, but if you get a big move like that, it's good to put 30% away at least, have a break even stop so you can't lose. Now at this point, it doesn't look like this is going to turn into distribution, but sometimes when something does this, it can then do this. Okay, so at this point, it doesn't look like that. It looks like a bullish consolidation, bullish flag pattern, or whatever you want to call it, before the next leg higher.